Studios with another little quick money saving tip for you. Now here, what I have here today is I'm going to show you how to cheaply fix an ice chest that has fallen apart. The hinges on the lid have broken off. This Coleman, which brand new costs about like 40 bucks, it's more than a few years old. After repeated opening and closing, the hinges finally snapped and broke in between there just from repetitive use. And most people just, that happens, they throw them away or they give them to a thrift store or something. And it's you can find a lot of good deals like this at a thrift store. Probably buy a cooler this size for $5. What a steal! And also you can order new hinges. So I figured out how to do it on the cheap. So what did I use? A simple plastic bottle, a regular bottle. This one is a sparkling mineral water bottle. So it's a good thick bottle that's got some straight sides on here. You might want to try to use a regular water bottle, but you'll find those are really flimsy. Might not work. So I was sitting back and I was drinking water one day when I said, oh, what a bummer, this thing fell apart. I wonder how I can fix it. And I can order some new ones, some new latches here, but I said, let me try to fix this on my own. So what I did, I was holding my plastic bottle and I said, oh, this is strong plastic, kind of maybe even stronger than that. So I cut it. I cut the bottle right down the middle to where it's got the straight edges. Very carefully cut it. All the way around like this. Show you the idea. And I was left with this piece here in the middle. So what I did is I just squeezed it and folded it again. And now you got a really strong piece of plastic that no matter how much you bend, it's not going to break. I got a couple ready here. And what I need to do is just start the hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring one piece of the latch there to find out where the holes are and just start the holes on here. There we go. Start it and let's screw one of these in. Here's my screws. And the easy way to do this is to just start it before it's even in. There's one screw. So I've only did 2 pilot holes on here. There we go, just like that. Let's see how that works. Hole number 1. Let's not go all the way in yet. Now we'll go in on that one. Go in there. There's that. Let's put the holes in the next one that we're going to start. There's 2. Let's go with this side. Going back right into the same hole. If you really want to strengthen it, you could even put another one right in the middle there. But let's look at this now. thing ain't going nowhere. Now, check it out. I mean, that's gonna be strong. So quick money saving tip there. Don't throw away your old coolers that bust their latches. Give them a chance. Get a plastic bottle. Make your own latch. Only takes you a couple of minutes, and this is gonna last for a long, long time. All right. So one little quick tip, as a matter of fact, I have an old Explorer igloo here. This igloo here is about, honestly, it's over 40 years old, and it's the ones that had the lid that didn't have latches back then. So this is usually where I keep my clean knives for our hard mixed drinks when we're having a little get together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some latches on this one from the same thing, so that the lid stays on her, because every time we get it, we have to put it down on the ground, or the kids come and knock it over and it's going all over the place. This is going to be next, so I'll come back and take some pictures of this off-site. Well, here I am putting the finishing touch on the one that didn't ever have, never had latches there. Let me see how high up I'm going. Like right there. These self-tapping screws are great. Have it. Let's see how this works. Nice. Look at that. Perfect. Fantastic. Save some money. Get yourself some plastic bottle hinges.